Hello and welcome. My name is Alec, and in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how to add a button to your WordPress header menu. If you have watched any of my previous videos, you know that I'm using the free Blocksy theme for my WordPress tutorials. This theme has a cool feature that lets you easily add a button to the navigation menu. Right now I'm on the menus page, and to start adding a button I will click on Customize under the Appearance menu on the left. When this page opens I will select Header. When the Header Settings menu opens you will see a button widget on the left. To add it to your header, click it, drag it and place it between the Menu one and Search widget within the main row. The button will appear immediately within your header. To start changing its settings, click the button widget. The Buttons menu will open with two tabs, General and Design. Under General Settings, you can change the overall look of your button from default to outlined. Next, you can change its size and label text, add a secondary label, and add a link or URL to where you want to send those who click the header button. For example, I will enter Learn WordPress as my label text, paste the link to my WordPress tutorials playlist on YouTube, and set the button to be opened in a new tab. You can leave the rest of the general settings as they are. Now click the Design tab to make additional changes, such as changing the label text color, the button color, border radius, padding, and margin. I will change the color of my button from blue to red, and click the red Publish button at the top of the page to save these changes. You must take another step to make your button visible to tablet and mobile phone users. Click this left arrow to go back to the header's global settings. Select the tablet/mobile header tab at the bottom of the page. If you click this burger menu to open it, the button is not there. To make it visible on tablets and mobile phones, click the button widget, drag it and release it in this section under the mobile menu widget. If you click on this burger menu again, the button will be added to the mobile version of your header. If everything looks good, click the Publish button to save all changes. If you close this whole customization section and visit your website and click the button, it should send my website visitors to my WordPress playlist on YouTube in a new tab. The button works perfectly, and this shows how easy it is to add a button to your WordPress header menu using the Blocksy theme. Like all my other tutorials, I did my best to make this one beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Please let me know if I succeeded by liking it or subscribing to my channel. This will also make it easier for others who want to learn how to add a button to their WordPress navigation menu. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below this video, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.